Hello, this is Ben Masonheimer with Silver Seas Yachts. Today I'm at our Newport Beach office and I'd like to take you for a quick tour through this 2026 Tiara Yachts 34LX. This is their bow rider model, and for a bow rider, just like any Tiara, they pick a segment and then they just knock it out of the park. Let's go ahead and check her out. Here at our transom, we have two 300 horsepower Mercury Verado engines. These are 4.6 liter V8s. They're 4 valves per cylinder, so dual overhead cams, and they're absolutely fabulous. The lightest, the quietest, the most torquey. I mean, you want it, they've got it. For what we do out here in our oceans, the torque of these motors and their top speed, just under 50 miles an hour, is plenty of fun. Here on the starboard corner, we have a hookup for a dive ladder. Now there's a built-in ladder, but this is one that has a center post that works really good with flippers. You can see I've got the underwater lights on. Now the underwater lights and all the little lights that you see throughout the boat, you can pick any color, any combination of color, lava lamp, discotheque, whatever you want. These lights will do it, and it's all controlled right through your Garmin screens. Look at those beautiful lines and the shine on this thing. We have the simulated teak decking. Underneath this panel here is your other dive ladder. We have aft firing speakers here. Here we have a transom hot and cold water shower. On the other side, we have the button for our automatic flush system. You plug a hose in here, push this button, it flushes your motors for you. Here's our lounges. We have these stern lounges here. So they're forward-facing seats right now with aft-facing seats as well. I want to mention also we have a ski pylon that goes in here. But these seats have little kick pedals here. And as you can see, we go ahead and fire those off. And now we have really large, even big enough for two people, really. Very nice loungers. And then above, the black section here, you push one button and you have a big shade that comes out over that. Up top we have dual antennas. We have a 48-mile Garmin open array radar. If you notice, we have what we call a sail track here. There's two of them, and zippers on the sides. You have 3 panels that go in here, and the center panel goes in one track. The other 2 go in the other. So the center panel slides back and forth on its track. You enclose this whole thing and you can heat it or air condition it. All right, here's our table. Let me go ahead and flip that out very quickly. Look how beautiful that is. Over 30 hours of work goes into one of these tables. The nifty thing is there's a spot you can store it away. These legs, they're not the kind you have to pull out of the floor. You just unscrew them, store them away, and you're good to go. I might mention we have storage, very large storage under each of these seats. You have some more storage on the floor here, and a massive, kind of running the length of the boat type storage locker under that hatch. We have an armrest that comes down here, and just a great area to hang out. All of this is the upgraded, top-of-the-line ultra leather fabric. Across the way, we have a wet bar area, serving area. I like sitting here. You'll find me sitting on this area at boat shows. Underneath the step here, we have our rubbish bin. We have a fridge freezer just here. Now I've rotated the helm companion seat around, and as you can see, it's part of this whole conversation area here, so very cool. Our helm seat goes forward and aft. As you can see, I have it slid quite a way forward, and the seats on both sides have bolsters so they can be used as leaning posts. That's how this one's set up. So there you go, 2 armrests, very commanding views here at the helm, nicely glassed in, and here's my eye line at 6'4½", so I have a perfect line on the horizon there. Up above we have our dedicated mercury gauge, and it runs all your mercury and your autopilot functionality. And it's nice because it's right at eye level, and then you can use these screens for everything else. So right now I have chart plotter, I have stereo, I have another mercury gauge, and I have my zip wake trim tabs that I can control there, or I can control them right here. We have a bow thruster as standard. You can see our Mercury smart throttles here. These can be run with active trim where it trims for you. You can run them in a single lever mode. They're just very good, very easy to use. They're fly-by-wire, so very smooth. Here we have heat and air for this area. Now we can control our stereo just here, but hey, you can control it here as well, or from an app on your phone. Now when you turn on your nighttime navigation lights, all of this lights up, but we have these very beautiful switches on the wood accents there. Here's where we turn on all of our lights that I have on now. Here's our seat, forward and aft. Now here's our joystick. The joystick on this one does several things. The first thing it does that you'll be familiar with is joystick docking. So you go sideways, the boat goes sideways. Spin it, the boat spins. Back up, forward. This is a gas pedal and a steering wheel in that mode. This button here, it turns it into a heading hold. So now it's an autopilot. That's going to hold you in a straight line. And to make turns or corrections, this is going to give you 1 degree. It'll light up on the top here and it'll say 1 degree for push sideways for 1 degree, twist for 10 degrees. So that would be 20 degrees. So when you're cruising, you're basically monitoring and using this in that manner. Now, if I go here and I make a waypoint and I go to, I then push this button and it'll drive a route. It's pretty cool where I can actually go as far as putting a waypoint there at Catalina, hitting auto guidance, boom, it's calculated my route. And as you can see, you do want to check this before you go, but it's got a nice route for us there. I can then start navigation, send that to my autopilot by hitting this button. It'll drive that whole course. It will not avoid other vessels. If something gets in your way, you need to go around it and then it'll go right back on course. Across the way, because why not? We have another air conditioning and heat. So imagine this, your wife's over here blowing heat all over herself. You're over here combating that heat with air conditioning. Amazing, right? Just like in the car. Here's our head. And like I said, Tiara, they don't do anything by half measures. So look at this. This is your speedboat day head. That's a true porcelain vacuum flush toilet. Tons of headroom. I don't care how big you are. You can get in there and do what you need to do. Very nice sink. Rubbish bin to the side of it. Here's our control panel. So this is going to have all of our ignitions, batteries, generator start. I might also add that the boat is equipped with a SeaKeeper gyro. So this has a SeaKeeper 2 in it. And yeah, not only is it one of the smoothest boats in its class, but it's not going to be rocking. You just put on the SeaKeeper and you're good to go. All right, let's move forward to the bow. We do have an air dam here. So this would enclose, the windshield closes off and you're fully enclosed on 3 sides. Beautiful bow area here. We have our forward facing seat. A lot of people end up with a Yeti cooler here and then a cushion on it that just connects it. Everywhere in the boat, I haven't mentioned it, but any place that you'll be sitting, there are USB-A, USB-C for charging. We have a stereo control up here. We have speakers. We have lots of storage. You've got this beautiful chaise that runs all the way down the side here. 2 cup holders here, another one just there, and then there is a sunshade. It hooks up to the hardtop and it covers this whole area, and it has little pulls that it clicks into just here. Up here in the bow, we have a windlass anchor, because why not? It's a Tiara, of course we do. And we have a very nice Lumar stainless steel anchor. So just top quality, beautiful boat. Can't go wrong with this one. Whether you just need something for behind your home, something to go for a little rip on the weekends, take the whole family out. It's very hard to go wrong with this. Or it's just you're getting into boating and want a first boat that's absolutely gorgeous, very impressive, and will not lose all of its value as soon as you drive it off the lot. Now, I apologize, it's a little messy here, but look how cavernous this is. We have our canvas enclosure, some extra dock lines, some shade poles that need to be properly put away, docking poles. You can see up here we have areas to hang lines. We have our table, goes in here into this holder. So just a massive area. I mean, really, you could throw a mattress in there if you wanted to and get a little sleeping done or put a baby down. So that's it. This is the 34LX available from Silver Seas Yachts. We have locations along the whole western seaboard, and we sell Tiaras in all of those locations. feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email at the information you see on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the water.